So guys, welcome to FX Review again with another broker. So today's gonna be the Questrade. It's a Canadian broker which is the best online brokerage in Canada. Questrade is Canada's low cost leader, offering no fee ETF purchases with its low fees. Established in 1999 and headquartered in Toronto, Questrade has $9 billion in assets under management and has earned the titles Canada's fastest growing online brokerage, partly thanks to their bare bones fee structure and excellent trading platforms. You can use Questrade's investing platforms to build a portfolio from stocks, bonds, ETFs, mutual funds, even precious metals and GICs, and using these various options build any type of portfolio. With its low fees and ease to use, Questrade is our top pick for the best overall online brokerage in Canada. Also, Questrade offers a variety of accounts including TFSA, RRSP, RESP, margin accounts, Lira, corporate, forex, and CFDs. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced investor, Questrade offers a bunch of features that distinguish it from other online brokers. Getting started with Questrade is a breeze thanks to no annual fees and a minimum investment of just $1,000. Automatic deposits are easy to set up, and when you move an investment account from another brokerage, Questrade will reimburse transfer fees up to $115 per account. Some online brokerages charge a fee between $15 to $100 per year to maintain your RRSP or TFSA account, especially for balances under $15,000. Questrade charges no annual fees. This is perk for smaller investors since a $100 annual fee on a smaller account, say $10,000, is equal to 1% fee, which essentially negates any savings you would occur by going the do-it-yourself route. You can purchase ETFs for free. That means that you can transfer money into your Questrade account and build an ETF portfolio for $0. It does cost 0.01 per share to sell your ETFs with a minimum fee of $4.95 per trade to a maximum of $9.95. Your portfolio will likely contain a mix of stocks along with less volatile assets like bonds and GICs. Questrade charges a spread that is built into the price of the bond and varies depending on the individual bond. There is a minimum purchase amount of $5,000 to buy bonds. Trading GICs at Questrade is commission free, but the minimum order is $5,000. Some GICs may have higher minimums. Questrade offers support over the phone, through chat or by email. The chat with us feature is especially handy, allowing clients to type an instant chat with a Questrade representative, Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. EST time. They also have a searchable self-help function that provides information and support on a range of topics. Plus, Questrade recently received the 2019 Dalbar Seal for Service Excellence, a prestigious award that recognizes service leaders within the financial service industry. As a big bonus is you can hold US dollar in your registered account, which means you don't have to do the dreaded currency conversion if you have the US dollar to invest. You can also convert your Canadian dollar into the US dollar with their currency converter tool to save money on foreign exchange fees. Avoiding needless currency conversion fees are another way to keep your money working on you. So, Questrade is as safe as any other brokerage. The company is a registered investment dealer and a member of the Investment Industry Regulatory Organization of Canada. They are also a member of the Canadian Investor Protection Fund, a non-for-profit insurance program. These Canadian regulatory organizations oversee Questrade's operations and ensure that they are adhere to strict investment industry standards. This is it, guys. We're coming to the end of this review. See you on another review with another broker. Thanks for watching.